There are so many cars. What happened there?
So many cars.
What's going on there, Archer?
Too many cars on fire.
Yeah.
Everyone's fire.
Yeah.
See, we did rescue.
Yeah, you're doing a rescue job. It's a rescue mission. Everyone needs help.
Sure. Another car.
Would you stop speaking Chinese? I don't know what that means.
Stop.
Stop.
That's a vacuum. So right there, machines. Two machines.
There's
See?
2 machines?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Two machines right there.
Okay.
1, 2.
Oh, you're teaching him what it is and how to count them.
1, 2.
Yeah, those, Anderson. He said
Yeah,
these?
thank you.
He said thank you.
Thank you.
How do you say thank you in Chinese?
Welcome. What? Can you see that?
I know.
I got nails on.
I know. What are you doing? Archer, be careful. Remember, you're too heavy.